Hey guys, so let's talk about welding and putting shapes together one more time. I've got a customer who's having an issue with one of her files, and it's a very typical challenge that we run into when we are trying to weld a couple of different things together. For example, let me show you the one of her original designs. This guy right here seems to be cutting out just fine. Everything is attached. And now she really just wants to put this in this part and make it work the same way. So if we just put this dinosaur as is in the middle and try and weld him where his nose touches and his foot touches, let's put him up just a hair more, get that. And then click here, and we're gonna try and weld. So I'm gonna hit, sorry, I'm gonna hit Control W. And I really just kind of lose everything, right? It doesn't work quite the way I want it to. So let's just grab the outside and this and Control Weld. Ugh, I'm still losing it, right? So what we really need to do here is use our Boolean tools. So what I want to do, let me move this guy here. I'm going to group all these inside parts together so that they don't move and I know exactly where they are at all times. So I'm hitting Control G to group. And then I'm going to grab the outside. Let's go up a hair. I really want his nose kind of touching right there. Okay, I've got my tail just a smidge over the line, and I'm gonna just make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so now my toes over the line, my tail's over the line, my nose is on the line. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab this outside box. Sorry, and the outside of my dino. And I'm going to try using my Boolean tool. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Control B, and that's going to bring up my assist. Once I've got assist, I can go through a couple of different iterations here and see what I like. You know, I lose my outline there. If I do a union, it's nothing more than a weld. So really what I'm wanting is to subtract A from B. So I'm subtracting the first object from the second object. If I hit OK there and hit OK here, now it should cut out correctly. The way to test this is to go ahead and select everything and then turn it into a fill real quick. So I'm going to just turn it blue because that is my fill. Move myself out of the way. That is my fill. And all these white pieces are the pieces that are going to cut out. And that's exactly what I want for this design. That's it, guys. Hope this helped someone today.